What up? Welcome back to another video. I'm out here at Taylor Mountain right now. Post-meal walk with the weighted vest on. Gonna hike a little bit and then we'll get into the video, man. Let's go. So today's video, it's all about saying no. Saying no to everything that doesn't align with your purpose, your path, and your goals, and where you want to go in life, man. So for the time being, I'm saying no to drinking. I'm saying no to going out. I'm saying no to staying up late. Saying no to junk food. Saying no to rest days, man. And just fully committing 100%, man. And with that being said, I just wanted to let everybody know, all my friends, all my family, it's nothing personal, man. I'm just locked in right now. I'm focused, and I'm trying to get somewhere, man. I don't want to be working 17-hour days for the rest of my life, barely getting by and shit. So I'm going completely outside my comfort zone, man, and I'm making shit happen. So if I'm saying no to more things, man, I apologize. Just be patient. It won't be like this forever. Just know I love you guys, man. It's nothing personal. Like I said, I'm just focused, man. I'm getting after it every day. So unless we're doing some fucking positive shit, making videos, working out, or things along those lines, bettering our future, then for now it's a no, man. So like I said, don't take it personal, man. I'm just getting after it, man. And it's okay to say no, to chase your goals, man. So let's get after it, man. I'm gonna walk a little bit and then we'll talk some more. Let's go. And I just want to take this time to thank you guys, everybody that's been supporting me, supporting the videos in any way, watching them, resharing them, liking them, commenting on them, all that shit, man. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, man. I really do put a lot into this, and I'm just trying to hold myself accountable and inspire you guys, man, like I said before. So I really do thank you guys, man. I know it's a small community right now, but we're gonna grow, man. So bear with me. And I do thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. Let's keep getting it. Let's go. And back to the subject of me saying no, man. I just want to let you guys know it's not permanent, and I will make time for some things and certain people, but it's gonna be very limited, man. So please don't take it personal. Like I said, man, I'm just grinding, locked in, man. So let's get it. So when it comes to real growth, man, it's all about habits. Getting rid of your bad habits and solidifying who you are through positive habits and self-inflicted adversity. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see that I post the same shit, do the same shit, pretty much eat the same foods every day, man. Because I'm developing my habits and solidifying who I am through those habits, man. And since I'm speaking on self-inflicted adversity right now, I know it doesn't look that steep, but you guys see that hill behind me? I could just keep going down, man, and go all the way around back to the car. But instead, man, we're going up the hill just because. Let's get it. Damn, I'm feeling this shit, man. My fucking legs are on fire. This weighted vest is no joke. But anyways, after my walk, I'm gonna go get Lila from school. Bella's going home with a friend. I'm gonna chill for a little bit. And then at 6, we have class. Starts with Primal Fitness and then Jiu-Jitsu. See you guys there. Peace. So we're just getting done with class. Another good, long, productive day. But like I said, man, it's okay to say no to certain things for the time being while you're trying to achieve certain goals. But you got to realize, man, not everybody's going to understand what you're doing. Not everybody's trying to grow. And you might lose friends along the way. And you got to be okay with that, man. Because you can't force it on anybody. You can't force nobody to grow. All you can do is let them do their thing, lead by example, and do what's best for you. And hopefully, when they're ready to grow, they'll come back around, man, and you guys can grow together. But until then, man, you just got to do what you're doing, man. It's okay to say no. Just don't forget where you come from. Don't forget the people that helped you along the way, man. Stay positive and keep pushing, man. I thank you guys for watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Let's get it. Peace. Woo! Just almost tripped. Almost ate shit like a motherfucker. Almost just fell on my face, man.